subscribe to Brodie Rodrigues. What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another vlog. We are out here with the squad.
Yo!
It's J-Rod. You gotta do your intro, Jaden.
What up, nerds? It's your boy J-Rod here, just dressing Adam McFilmin. He McFilms all the time, but right now he is going to be the ultimate shooter.
And he's Mick dressing up.
Mick dressing up.
Oh my god, that's so bad. Alright, these lenses are not the anti-fog lenses, so I can hardly see right now. But yeah, we're seeing Infinity War today. We're all dressing up. Gonna fuck shit up. So yeah, stay tuned. Ooh, Jaden, he's looking good. Yo, what's up, buddy? Oh no. It's plot twist in the Avengers Infinity War. Iron Man turns on Spider-Man and shoots him. And gone.
Yeah, how you going, Iron Man?
Guys, we're in the lift. It's very cute and intimate. I can't see what I'm filming right now, so let's hope it turns out great. What's up? I have no idea where I'm going. Alright, update vlog. We are in the cinemas getting photos now. What do you have to say?
Not much.
Not much. Iron Man's out here leading the pack. Wait, Iron Man, do a flip. Do a flip, bro!
And you got Spider-Man, he's vlogging this as well, which is
Hi, guys.
Fully cool. And then this guy doesn't talk much, we've got the Winter Soldier. Nice.
He's a man of few words.
Star-Lord.
Alright guys, we're at a lunch break now. 3 sushi rolls for $10 and everyone went into strike bowling and got overpriced food.
Pizza. He's not lying.
It is very overpriced, like $14 for pizza. What do you got there, Fizz? Bourbon and Coke, mate. He's lit. Turning it up on a Wednesday. Yeet! Alright guys, so we just finished seeing Infinity War. I'm not gonna ruin it for you, but all I have to say is how to run with Fizz. Dun, 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 dun.
Baywatch moment.
I'm putting Baywatch music over that.
If he was running at me, I don't know if I'd be scared or happy.
I don't know if I'd be scared, I don't know if I'd ask him out on a date.
Anyway, so That's how you run, Fizz, man! That's how you run!
We're doing it again! We're doing it again!
Hey, where'd he go?
So you need a bit of like darkness to your skin to be able to run?
Oh, the action star! Yeah. Fizz, man! Yeah! Yes! Update, guys. We're stuck in the car park.
We're stuck in bloody traffic. Like, and if you know me, I hate me some traffic. I hate traffic.
We have probably moved a meter in the past 10 minutes. What do you have to say, Fizz?
I mean,
what can you expect when there's a Rabbitohs?
we have an infinity gauntlet right here. Can we not just snap the fingers and get rid of half these cars?
No, because it's a toy, Fizz! Bullshit! Snap your fingers!
You're
do your
just
step!
upset.